So, we turn it on by flipping the screen. Dito tayo sa DJI SM North. Oh my God, meron silang available na Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo na matagal ko na rin hinahunting. It's 37,490 dito. And pwedeng deferred na 0%, 6 months. Tapos pay later pa sa RCBC. So, mukhang magpapaalam na ako sa aking Pocket 2. Nandito na tayo sa Pocket 3. I'm so excited. Hopefully okay siya. Oh my God, may lumilipad. Ito na si Pocket 3. Ito kasing 2, nabili ko siya na hindi creator combo. So I had to buy yung ano pa, separately. Sa Japan ko pa sila binili kasi wala dito.
Usually doon nga po yung pupunta yung iba, Hong Kong or Japan.
Actually, yung creator combo na price, lalo yung sa inyo, 37 something. Same price sa Japan. Kasi nung kinumpute ko last time, naka 38 sila eh.
Kasi yung binili ko.
Okay. Yan na guys. Huli na natin. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So, we're done. Yay. We're going home and we're gonna unbox this thing. Eh, nakauwi na tayo sa bahay. And we are finally unboxing the Osmo Pocket 3 na nabili natin kanina sa DJI SM North EDSA. So, ang sabi nila sa akin kanina, this is one of 2 stocks that they have currently. And, ina-allocate kasi nila yun per branch, supposedly. So, hindi lahat ng branch na bibigyan ng maraming stocks. So, sinuwerte tayo na mayroong stock currently dun. Kasi, a few days ago, nanggaling na tayo ng DJI One Ayala and wala silang stock dun. So, buksan na natin. And FYI, the camera I am currently using filming this is a DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So, this is an upgrade for me. As in, literally, hindi ko to binuksan sa branch. Hindi ko trinest. So, ang sabi naman nila, may parang 7 days replacement daw. As long as I film this unboxing. Yun. So, first open. So, this is the, the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Actually, ang laki ng price increase niya from the standard to the Creator Combo. Parang mga plus 10,000. But, I think, itong Creator Combo is ultimately so much more sulit because of the additional stuff that it has. Look guys, it even has a pouch. Diba? May pouch kasama. So, ito muna. Set aside ko muna to. And then, paperwork. What else does it have inside the box? Teka lang ha. Oh, a DJI sticker. I love this. I'm gonna put this sa tumbler ko. Tumbler. Ano pa? May separate box inside with mukhang case. Yes, the plastic case. I'm gonna check this out later. So, apart from this box and this box, mukhang everything is already in this pouch. So, we're gonna open this. Ooh. Ang ganda nung pouch. Mga beng, ganda nung pouch. Cute. Very cute. Yay. I was thinking about buying a pouch kanina sa Lazada. Buti na lang, nan-box ko muna siya. Dahil I didn't know na may pouch sa loob. At mukhang parang, yung pag yung ganito yung zipper, parang ano siya, diba? Anong tawag doon? Waterproof or siguro splash resistant or whatever. Ito natin. So, ito yung loob niya. So, isa-isahin nating buksan. First is the camera itself. So, babalik ko muna dito sa loob, ha? Babalik ko muna sa loob. Next is the mic. The mic. If I'm not mistaken, this mic is magnetic. So, meron siyang parang pwedeng i-magnet na nakadikit dito. Not like the old one na ipit lang. Ito may ipit din and magnetic siya. Also, I believe yung connection ng what do you call this? Windscreen for this mic is tinutusok siya. So, mas secure siya, unlike this one na nawala ko yung windscreen because sobrang light magnet lang siya. So the phone and the mic, the camera and the mic na tayo. Next is, I believe this is the battery handle, the extension battery handle, and the parang tripod. No, parang tripod. Mamaya natin to bubuksan isa-isa. And then this is the parang extension with yung thread sa baba para maikabit mo sa tripod yung camera mo. We also have a USB-C to USB-C cable na power delivery, and then a lanyard and the windscreen for the mic. Cool. And this is the magnet. Nakaipit siya dito. Plus, wide camera, wide angle lens. So, both yung Pocket 2 and yung Pocket 3 na aanohan ng magnetic na lenses. So, hindi lang compatible yung sa 2 and 3. So, bago talaga to. So, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. But, let us test the Osmo Pocket 3. Let's turn it on. Hindi. Iano muna natin. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. Glorious. So, we turn it on by flipping the screen. English. So, it's English. And then, device name. Activate before use. I'll probably activate this later. So, i-ano ko muna. I'll turn it off muna. Seems to be working just fine. So, I'm gonna test out the accessories and I'm gonna do a comparison siguro between the 2 and the 3 because I've been using the 2 for quite some time now. And tignan natin kung maganda yung difference ng 2 sa 3, kung sulit ba talaga yung upgrade ko because mahal siya. I mean the 2 between the 3. So let us try to activate the camera. Let's turn it on ulit. Kailangan ingatan ko tong mechanism na to. English. So swipe to skip. 5 times remaining. Ooh. Okay. Scan the QR code to download the I already have the app, so let's try. It scans both the cameras, the one I'm using right now and this one. So itry natin to see Osmo Pocket 3 connect. 3, okay, may verification code siya. Accept. Oh, naka-connect na. Yay. Agree. Activate. Allow DJI to access device information. Okay. Next. Confirm account information. Activate. Activating. Register device information with the server. Send activation information to the device. And confirming activation information with the server. Keep the app open and do not leave the current page during activation. Swipe left edge to enter playback. Osmo Pocket 3 user feedback. We would love the... okay. So I guess okay na yung Are you sure you want to exit? Okay. Get started! Okay, you're done. Enjoy live view with DJI Mimo. Manage files with efficiency. Advanced skills with tutorials. Update firmware regularly. Wants to join network? Join. Okay. This thing, since this is new, does not have an SD card yet. So, ayan na. Install firmware. So, bago ko lagyan ng SD card, install muna natin yung firmware update. I don't know if this is the latest, but let's do it. Install. Oh. Update in progress. Wait 2 minutes. Oh, okay. Maliit lang. 152 MB. I'm filming this for documentation purposes, but, you know, I'm gonna post this. Whatever. Can you guys recommend accessories that I should buy for this camera? Kailangan ko siya tingnan because this is not cheap. It's not a cheap camera. Okay, so while I'm waiting for the 2 minutes, I think I'm gonna start opening the other accessories already. So this is the tripod. Ang ganda ng tripod, guys. Cute. But you can't attach this directly to the camera, I believe, yata. Kasi kailangan mong ikabit yung may thread. Ang maganda sa kanya, thread dito, tapos yung USB na pupunta sa likod. So I believe pwede mo siyang gamitin ng naka-tripod. Okay, ay naka-charge habang ginagamit, tapos naka-tripod. So okay, nag-ano siya, done. Okay, nag-done na siya doon sa firmware. Naka-connect ba ako? Ayan, sige, let's connect. Ay, hindi, initializing. Okay. Updated. Ayan, nakalagay, updated na siya. Ayan, yan ang prompt. Nakalagay, updated. But let's connect the camera. Just so we know if there are any additional updates that we need to do before I put on an SD card. Gimbal rotate. Ay, shucks. Ang ganda-ganda nung quality ng video. Ang layo niya dun sa 2. Ang layo niya dun sa 2, guys. Ang layo. Tapos pwede ko siya syempre gamitin na for vertical videos. Although I was told, or at least I found out on YouTube, na pag finlip mo siya na ganyan, nakaganyan siya, cropped lang yung video. Hindi siya yung tipong yung nag-spin yung camera. So, yun lang. But at least you don't have to like be awkward na nakaganon, diba? So, it's an option. So, at least it's there. Ang galing. Ang galing niya. And yung joystick is working perfectly. Wala na siyang parang on-off. So, how do I turn this off? Long press. Okay. Okay, noted. So, turn it on. Ganun din, pwedeng long press. Okay. Tapos long press ng record. Yung off. Okay. Okay. So, teka, itatry ko na yung case. So, ito yung, ang ganda nung texture ng case. Tapos, similar to the 2, parang ilalagay mo yung wide angle doon. Black Pro Mist. What is that? Is that like an ND film? Ang ganda nung texture. Ang ganda nung texture. Yun lang, parang feeling ko eventually baka mag-wear off, no? But, you know, that's life. Pataob siya. Sabi nila, you have to be very careful. So, ganyan siya. The problem is, exposed yung dito, sa side na to. Similar with the old case of the 2, exposed naman yung side. So, siguro for this one, may mga nabibili na yung pwede mong pantakip dito. Not sure if I'm gonna do that, but let's see. Yung mic usually nalagay dito sa taas. Kasi pwede ka mag talkie-talkie dyan. I am not sure if I'm gonna use this windscreen. I probably will. Pero meron kasi akong parating na windscreen coming from Lazada na gagamitin ko dapat dito kasi nawala yung windscreen nito. So, but I don't know. Tingnan ko muna. Probably. Kasi syempre, mas maganda nga naman na gamitin ko dito. At saka kapag nawala to, mas maraming available online. Hindi katulad yung dun sa one. I will test out the the battery handle. Just so we can check first. Ay, hindi. Sige, wait lang. Iti-test ko muna pala ang charging because that's one of the first things that you should test out when you get a new device. Is the charging working? Yes. Nakalagay fast charging. So this is a 20-watt charger. Nakalagay fast charging. Pero maka-charger, testing ko lang. Ito naman 60 watts. And nakalagay 58% fast charging. Okay, so gumagana yung charging. I-testing naman natin ito. Ayan, charging. So it is a tapos nakalagay yung battery percentage nung dalawa. Okay, noted. Then I'll try to paano ba dito pag nakasaksak, what happens? Fast charging. Okay, charging yung both. Okay, noted. Ganun pala siya. So you can charge both at the same time. Noted. Para to unclip, gagana mo siya. I believe ito yung yung bagong latch na ginagamit ng both DJI and Insta360. And also, I think GoPro also uses yung bagong clasp na. And yun na rin yung gamit niya, yung parang clasp na ganito. Hindi na uso yung yung thread dati, yung parang ganon. Galing. Ganda niya. Okay, so apart from those two, I would like to test out the last one. Would be this one. This is the, what do you call this? Handle with 1/4 thread. So the 1/4 thread is this one, yung pangkabit sa sa tripod. So I believe wala naman tong parang special function or battery nakalagay. When mounting, insert the handle of the Osmo without holding the release button, then detach and press, then hold the release button. Okay, para lang mo siya, maikabit mo sa tripod, tapos pwede mo siyang i-charge through the back. And it also has a more parang ergonomic feel to it kapag nakakabit siya. Diba? Kasi mas mahaba yung handle. Bongga. Work. Okay. So, we've unboxed most of the camera na nilalagay ko muna siya dito sa case. Magpo-post na lang ako ng video using the camera na. Kasi yung SD card dito sa 2 yung gagamitin ko sa 3, which is ang sinasuggest nila lagi for mga DJI Osmo Pocket is the SanDisk Extreme. Tama ba? Yun. SanDisk Extreme. So papaalam muna tayo sa Osmo Pocket 2. So kung may gusto mo bili, DM nyo lang ako. Bye guys. So we are testing the mic. I'm testing if it's working, and first time I'm using the camera,
and it looks good. So, hindi ko muna nilagay yung windscreen so I know whether yung pag ganun ko may effect ba. Kasi yung dun sa camera nung sa Osmo Pocket 2, kahit yung normal na whisper voice ko, masyadong maano yung effect dun sa mic. So, titignan natin dito kung ano yung effect. So, I guess I'll end the video here, and I hope you join me on my adventures with this new camera. Thank you, guys.